We're here doing a warranty follow-up on a roof. We're out in a really windy area. In fact, after doing this roof, a tornado came through and blew half that house off. So they now have a new house. We quoted the roof, which is ironic. We quoted the roof. They went with another company. A tornado came through and blew half the house off. Literally, like the garage was ripped off and then the top section over was just like removed. But then this house was completely intact. So there's our little shtick, is that our houses are tornado proof. But this piece of metal was in the backyard. This is a piece of apron flashing. This is a facade. You put there's the underneath flashing that goes up the wall, and you put nails on and you nail the nails down. And then you actually just caulk this over it all, and then it just covers it over so you don't see any exposed nails. And I'm gonna get up on the roof and look for where that came off. So we are up here on the roof. These areas down here all have the flashing on there, the apron. As you can see, they all have the apron. So there was a really steep part which I was hoping it was not on there, and thank God this is not the location. But as I look, we have this lower story area back there, and you can see how it came loose. So that's our problem. Thank God it's a easy to work with spot. So what we have here is the area where the fascia came off. You can see the nail busted through on the siding. Just high wind. This area is known for its windstorms and tornado type weather, and it was enough to just rip this right off. So we will be correcting this. Looks like it's pretty stuck. This looks like it might have been off. I mean, for a while, you can see evidence of that. So we're gonna fix it. Got this thing fixed. Got this new flashing in. It goes up under the siding. We fastened in this J-channel that was loose. And I did end up face nailing it. Most roofers are gonna face nail it anyway. The prior guys, they had a style way about them, and I don't want to fault them. I think it does aesthetically look good, but I think the only person that will ever notice it is me. So I face nailed this guy, and when I see a non-face nailed apron flashing, I can appreciate it, but I don't know anyone else who's ever mentioned it other than other roofers. But this is not going anywhere. And this roof comes with a lifetime warranty, craftsmanship, and product. So it's done right.